12 part B, we're asked to rearrange this formula to make f the subject. And what we mean by the subject is, at the moment, it's C, the bit on its own. So we need to move everything around, so instead of a C, there's an F. Now, what you've got to think about here is what is actually happening to this F, because you've got to get rid of everything. So the first thing is having 32 subtracted from it. Then once that's happened, it's being multiplied by 5. And once that's happened, all of it is being divided by 9. So we go the reverse way. So the first thing we're going to do is times by 9 to both sides. So if I times by 9 there and there, these would cancel each other out. And I'd have 9c equals 5 lots of f minus 32. Now, notice I said 5 lots of f take away 32. You have two choices here. I'll do both of them for you. You can simply, I'll rewrite this just to make this a bit more clear. You just choose your favourite one, really. So from here, because this is 5 lots, I can divide by 5. So I would get 9c divided by 5 equals f take away 32. To get f on its own, I would simply now add 32 to remove the negative 32. So I'd have f equals 9c over 5 plus 32. And for this particular question, that is going to be the easiest way of getting your answer. The other way that people like to do is when they see a bracket, they like to expand it. So 9c would be 5 lots of f, is 5 times f, and 5 lots of 32, which is 160. You might have to do a long multiplication to work that out. So to get the f term on its own, I need to remove this number term. So I'm going to plus 160 to both sides, leaving me with just 5f. And now to get f on its own, I need to divide by 5. So I'd have 9c plus 160, everything on that side, divided by 5. Now you might be asking, but these answers look different. But it's still got your 9c divided by 5, and if you actually work out what 160 divided by 5 is, you get 32. This is the easier one for sure, but this method actually works for most questions, and you'll be more comfortable using that method if these numbers weren't so nasty.